As EVs gain popularity, more automakers are starting to jump on the bandwagon and produce electric vehicles. The majority of Tesla bulls, on the other hand, think that the company will continue to lead the industry despite the increasing level of competition, and that the automaker's car sales and demand will benefit from the increased use of EVs. Hi everyone, happy to be back at Tesla tomorrow. The need for electric vehicles has grown significantly over the last few decades, and more people than ever are purchasing and operating EVs as well as other types of vehicles. The rising demand for these vehicles may cause an increase in the price of electric automobiles. Currently, an EV costs roughly $55,000 on average. Higher demand, though, might mean paying more for these vehicles. The transition to electric vehicles is occurring quickly, and many individuals and nations are starting to recognize the advantages of utilizing clean energy. Australia and other nations have imposed laws to encourage the sale and usage of electric vehicles, and additional nations are probably going to follow suit. But they may go beyond simply, although there are more and more electric vehicles on the market today. Why does Tesla continue to lead the way in the manufacturing of cars like that? Tesla goes above and beyond to maintain a high ranking for its automobiles globally. Let's find out, but first, if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please remember to subscribe, like, and set on notifications to stay informed about what Tesla is up to current on. Corey Stebbin, president of Munro and Associates, examined EV system integrations between automakers and automobiles in a recent presentation. Additionally, he illustrated why domestic enterprises need to reconsider their designs if they hope to catch up to vertically integrated companies like Tesla, which are setting the standard. With an emphasis on the Tesla Model 3 Supermodel and integration system, they also offered a thorough report on system-level integration developments, as well as historical and contemporary system integration trends. According to Corey, Tesla's biggest advantage is the way they incorporate it into the styling of their cars. The company's founder and CEO, Sandy Munro, has previously said that he compares Tesla to an engineering team that is working 10, 20, or even 100 times quicker than any other company he has seen. Mr. Munro also said that Tesla was conducting engineering at the speed of thinking. We are astounded by the number of modifications made to the Model Y's 2 gears. Munro also discussed the evolution of Tesla's casting. Munro and Associates was founded in 1988 as well. They specialized in lean design and dismantling competing items to research and provide manufacturers with improvements. In 2018, Munro started airing video interviews and commentary on their Munro Live YouTube channel. Sunday, Munro's perspective is cost and manufacturing oriented. Additionally, it thinks Tesla will replicate and drastically lower pricing. Bright, according to Munro and Associates analysis based on various EV teardowns, the Munro's view is focused on manufacturing and expenses, as well as why Tesla was able to drop prices very dramatically and whether it is likely to be profitable. In the whole EV market, Tesla has the lowest estimated cost. Bright, according to Munro, a car like the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y would have a gross margin of more than 30% based on the first cautious estimate. This company also helped Tesla become a better business. According to Munro, Tesla addressed the issues and used the advice to improve the build quality after an early Model 3 construction's dismantling revealed inefficiencies in the company's manufacturing and procedures. He studied the car in great depth, covering nearly every component. Aside from expenditures, the automobile expert said that it is possible to count everything and calculate the true cost of pricing in the market. Tesla vehicles are likewise user-friendly. Corey mentioned that one of Tesla's advantages is that their vehicles are simple. In addition to producing purely electric cars, Tesla also provides oil changes and performs other routine maintenance on petrol drivetrains, so its business is spared these headaches. To keep their Tesla in good working order, owners only need to wash their cars on a regular basis and wait for over-the-air software updates. Corey enjoys Stanter Munro thinks Tesla will still be able to turn a profit from the sale of electric vehicles, and that profit will be greater than that of its competitors. He believes that because Tesla has such a huge cost advantage over other automakers, the company's decision to cut costs is expected to completely destroy its rivals and drive down prices for Tesla vehicles. Because of its intense focus on cost, Ultimaker was able to produce a vehicle at a lower cost through a variety of strategies, including increasing scale, changing the business model, simplifying the development and production of certain systems in-house, and using clever ideas to combine multiple functions into a single system. According to Munro, this and any future innovations from Tesla, more especially FSD tech, could really increase the gross margin by 40%. After 10 years as the greatest EV firm in the world, it is crucial to remember that the UV sector will continue to see increasing competition for some time to come. The EV wars, which began in earnest in 2022 and will only get more intense this year, are about to enter a new chapter thanks to Tesla. Global Mobility reports that while Tesla continues to lead the electric vehicle (EV) industry in the US, its lead has narrowed considerably and is predicted to rapidly diminish as traditional manufacturers release their own versions. Tesla's market share for electric vehicles will keep declining until it hits 20% by 2025. There has been an explosion of new car designs in the last few years. Some of these, like the Porsche Taycan or BMW iX, are intended to compete directly with Tesla at similarly high price points. Others, like the Nissan Leaf and Renault Zoe, target the lower end of the market. On the other hand, it's not anticipated that these businesses would surpass Tesla so quickly. In fact, it will take a few years for all businesses to do so. If that does occur, it's because Tesla owners are typically brand loyal, and the company's automobiles have a strong consumer appeal. There's no disputing that Tesla has some of the most ardent supporters in the EV business. In recent customer reports, the Ultimaker came in third place, behind Porsche and Genesis, and ahead of owner satisfaction. Thanks to its devoted fan following, Tesla is one of the most popular auto companies in the US despite ongoing criticism for its subpar build quality. Although there are numerous variations of the Model 3, which is among Tesla's best-rated electric vehicles, its general construction and appearance haven't altered since it went on sale. The majority of Tesla users favor the Model 3, which is roomy and enjoyable to drive in comparison to many other EVs. In January, the Tesla model achieved the greatest place ever for an electric vehicle by selling as the third most popular new car in Australia. The Federated Chamber of Automotive Industries reports that 2927 Model 3s were sold in January. With over 20% of all new passenger vehicle sales, the Ford Ranger Ute, 4749 sales, and the Toyota Hilux Ute, 4131 sales, were the two models that EVs lagged behind. During its most recent Investor Day, Tesla mentioned the next-generation car. American auto designer von Holzhausen stated that Tesla will produce the next-generation vehicle rapidly once it is ready, and said the vehicle will be unveiled later. Investors are eager to learn about a new vehicle, ideally a more affordable one built on the Tesla vehicle architecture. While the business hasn't released many details just yet, Tesla is also striving to expand the availability of its 4680 battery cells. As stated in Tesla's Battery Day presentation, the EV manufacturer also began the first deliveries of the updated Model Y with 4680 batteries and a structural battery pack at the opening celebration for the gate in Texas at the beginning of April. Tesla also opened its newest factory in Austin, Texas. Together with the structural battery pack architecture, this new battery cell is predicted to enhance performance, decrease weight, and boost vehicle range by up to 54 miles. Please share your thoughts with us below, whether you believe Tesla can withstand the intensifying competition in the electric vehicle market. Additionally, if you would want to learn more about Tesla's recent activities, click the following video to see it.